Okay, I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. I got a comment the other day from David AJ or some shit like that. It says, "Hi, I'm new to this lifestyle, raw vegan. I was just wondering about food combining and how to avoid bloating. Thanks." Well, I'm gonna tell you about bloating. Bloating is very simple to overcome. Bloating, I know a lot of us go through bloating all the time. You know, it's when you got that belly and you're like, you feel so fucking uncomfortable. Ah, well, what I do to overcome bloating is I go out for a simple walk. I find that when you pump your cardiovascular system, when you pump the blood is going to flow. Blood is going to circulate all throughout your fucking body. And when the blood circulates all throughout your body, you find that all your other systems in your body will function properly because blood is getting there. Blood is getting to your muscular system. Blood is getting to your skeletal system. Blood is getting to your digestive system. Blood is getting to your fucking, you know, blood is circulating in your uh, circulatory system. So as long as you're circulating your blood, it's going to go right into your digestive. It's going to go right into your digestive system. It's going to go right into your colon. All the blood is going to go there and it's going to relax those muscles. And in order for you to have proper digestion, those muscles need to be relaxed so your bowel movements can pass regular. Now, you can overcome bloating by, walking, doing something very light. It doesn't have to be fucking intense. You don't have to go out and do a fucking sprint. But as long as you do a short little walk, I recommend 2 to 3 miles or more. It's no less than 2 miles, you know. And water. I also want to talk about water. Water will get rid of the bloating. If you don't want to fucking have, if you don't have time to exercise, if you're, busy throughout the day and you're feeling bloated and you're at work and you're bloated and you're at work and you're bloated and you don't have time to fucking walk, you're just sitting at your computer and you're working and you have that bloated feeling, I recommend drinking like a shitload of water. Like, because water, when you drink the water, your bowels will absorb the water and water will push through. What I recommend, drinking water without any food. Don't eat. Like, you wanted to know about food combining, right? When you eat, don't eat and drink at the same time. You either drink before or drink after. Now, when you drink before your meals, drinking before your meals is the same thing as drinking after your meals. So as long as you're drinking without eating, if you drink water without any food, if you drink water without any food consumption, you're going to find yourself shitting. That will get rid of the bloating. Because if you drink without any food, your digestive system will work less. It will work less because it doesn't have anything to break down. Water breaks down very quickly. Water breaks down very rapidly. Water gets absorbed in your body very quickly. Water goes to your muscles. Water goes to every single cell because more than half of the body is water. Water is bones. Water is tissue. Water is muscle. Water is skin. Water is fucking everything. So if you drink water without any food, you're going to find your body breaking down the foods that much quicker because it has less. Your bowels has to work less because it only has to break down water. Now, if you were to have fucking if you were to have if you were to have if you're eating if you're fucking eating rice, you're fucking eating rice and then you're fucking drinking water, your bowels have to break down the rice and the water. Now tell me this, which one breaks down faster, rice or water? Obviously, if you chose water, you're right. Water breaks down so much more faster than rice. So if you're here eating rice and then if you're here getting spoonfuls to the face of rice and then you're downing fucking water for more than 5 seconds, blah, 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 it's just going to fuck with your digestion. You're going to feel bloated. You're going to feel gassy because water, digests so much faster than fucking rice. Now I'm not saying don't ever drink while you're eating. You can fucking have a few sips if you're fucking thirsty. There's no law to fucking eating. But like, if you want to avoid bloating, I recommend you drink without any food. Drink water. Drink a whole bottle of water, like a entire bottle of water, drink that, less than in less than 5 minutes. Try to down that as fast as you can. Don't like fucking kill yourself, but like, just try to down that. The more water you take and at one time, the more water you consume at one time. Like if you gulp, 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 the more water you take at one time, it's going to work. It's going to work that much better. You're going to find yourself shitting like 10 minutes later. And that's when you shit. When you push your shit out of your body, that's when your body deflates because you don't have anything else in your bowels. So if you want to get rid of that bloated feeling, just drink water or simply go for a walk. Simple as that. Now, when it comes to food combining, food combining is very easy to overcome. Food combining, obviously you don't want to be eating fucking apples with, oranges. Those are two different, those are fruit, but those are two different textures of fruit. You don't want to be mixing fucking apples and fucking oranges. Those are two different families. Those are two different. Apple is fucking hard, a hard texture, while a citrus, an orange, is fucking so much water. You bite into it, and it's fucking water. You know what I mean? So if you're eating an apple, if you eat an apple first, if you have a fucking bowl of apple and oranges, it's just like what I said before. Like, which is gonna break down faster, the rice or the water? So you got to think which food is gonna break down quicker. Is it going to be the apples or is it going to be the orange? Obviously, it's going to be the orange. The watery rich food is going to break down faster than the harder texture foods. So, if you want to, food combining is very easy to overcome. All you got to do is just figure out whatever you have in front of you. Just look at, what breaks down the fastest and eat that first. Eat that first. Like if you so happen to have oranges and apples, if that's the only fucking thing you have in your house, then obviously eat the orange first and then eat the apples right after. Eat the apples later, or eat the apples like 10 minutes later. You know what I mean? There's no law to eating. You can obviously eat whatever the fuck you want, but when it comes to food combining, you don't want to be fucking combining all types of different crazy things, because that can cause bloating, that can cause disruption in your fucking digestive system. You're not going to die, but you're just going to feel uncomfortable. You're going to be gassy, all types of, you're going to feel all these symptoms of digestive symptoms are going to occur. So that's why, food combining is very useful if you know how to eat, if you know what you're doing. So like, that's my talk on food combining. If you need more help, let me know. I hope I answered this question. If you have more questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll see you next video. The Roster Rick is signing off. I'm out. You guys take it easy and eat a lot. Peace.